This is an example of a cup with only 2 colors. I divided the cup into 4 sections, and the first section is the solid color. The second section is most of the first color and starting to fade into the second color. Third section is a combination of both. And then finally you fade into your other solid color. This is a 16-ounce tumbler, and I did 9 lines for this area, and then I ended up only being able to do 8 lines, so it's not going to be an exact math every single time. For this cup's pattern, I did 10 of the pink, 9 of the pink, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and then every other one. And then we fade into the blue, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we do all the rest of the blue. This is a cup with 3 colors. For each of the main color sections, I did 9 of the pink, 9 of the purple, and 9 of the blue. I divide this cup into 3 sections to give myself a general guideline of where I will need to start to transition. The pattern that I did for this 24-ounce cup, I did 8 of the main color, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then you do the reverse. I did 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8, and then you'll just keep moving up. We did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of the purple, and then you do the same pattern. In order to make sure that you do have an equal amount of each color, sometimes you'll notice you may have to adjust your pattern. So for the blue, for example, I did have 8 here, 6, 5, and then you see some of them are 3, 2, 1. So it's not a perfect science. Some of these are 4 for the purple, some of them are 3, but just try to follow along with the basic pattern. Here's some examples of a 3-color ombre with the 24-ounce Starbucks tumblers. I do about 9 lines of one of the colors, and then for the transition, I will do 10, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here's an example of a 24-ounce tumbler. This cup is 8 inches tall. For this pattern, I divide the cup into 4 sections to give myself a basic guideline. Every color gets 6 lines of their own, and then for the pattern, I do 8, 6, 4, 2, and then I switch 2, 4, 6, 8. This is a 16-ounce Starbucks cup with a 4-color ombre. I do 4 or 5 lines of the main color, and then for the transitions, I will do 8, 6, 4, and 2. Do it backwards, 2, 4, 6, 8, and then do the main color, 4 or 5 of those lines, and then continue with that pattern.